our society, women are spoken for. I wanted to be free. This is the only profession that grants me my independence.
Qualité de combien, Monsieur le Chevalier de Saint-Gall?
I didn't know the Countess had another daughter.
The daughter of the housekeeper, Lucia.
Đakoma Kazanove.
There is nothing I want more than to make your daughter happy.
Won't be long. Promise.
Darling, don't you worry. I no longer fit into his world. Tell him that I couldn't wait for him.
Is it not a deadly sin, hiding something so beautiful?
Galate. It means beautiful one. May I call you Galate?
What can I hope for?
True beauty exists here. You must be able to know who you are. That's your power.
Don't waste your time looking for Casanova. It's going to break your heart.
And I sense you are just inches from surrender as well.
You couldn't be further from the truth, monsieur.
Do you know what makes him so insatiable? A woman's betrayal has made him what he is.
Tell me about this girl. The girl who wounded you.
Please. Don't ask me about Lucia.
Why?